Does anybody have this problem with their Recon? Battery's charged, everything else is good. I'll show you the fix when I get back. Okay, let's start by disconnecting the battery. I'm going to show you guys why it's clicking. Alright, we'll disconnect. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to show you what's wrong. Got to take the starter apart. It's not that hard, there's not many parts in it. It's a simple starter. Dirty, but that's not the problem. But look how dirty it is. I mean, there's your problem. I didn't know it was that bad. Wow, that's magnets. Watch, I'm gonna pull it all apart. Front cover, all dirty, terrible. I don't even think I could. All right, there you go. It comes apart. Now, you see inside there? That's your magnets. The magnets broke. This is all magnets right here. Pieces of magnets. See? All right. I cleaned it up. It's supposed to have 6 magnets in there. I got 3. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put it back together and start it. All right, guys. I got the starter in. Hold on. Let's see if it starts. I forgot to hook up the battery. Hold on. Got power. Hold on. It didn't sound too good, but it worked. Check it out. Yeah, as you can see, it don't sound too good. Hold on. Still started. I'll order a new starter, but it's good for now.